Hey guys, Hobbybox604 here with group break 442 on our $2 Wednesday breaks on September 2nd. We have 1314 Panini Crown Royal. The serial number is ending in 285. If I can get the camera to focus on it, we'll see. There we go. So again, good luck guys. Go. The box is empty. That's garbage, I guess. Base. Oh, base. We have James Van Greendyke for Philadelphia Flyers. All the King's Men. It's not numbered or anything. There we go. And we have a Cam Talbot for New York Rangers. Don't think it's numbered. It's probably just an insert card. Next pack. So we have a base card, a base, not bad. Jonathan Bloom for the Predators. Heirs to the Throne. It's numbered out of 100. Very nice. And here, I'm not sure if that's an insert card. Doug Gilmore of the for Flames. Put that one there, I guess. Base. Lords of the NHL, Jonathan Toews for the Blackhawks. Let's see if it's numbered. It's not numbered anywhere. And here we have James Reimer for Toronto Maple Leafs. And that one's not numbered either. And our last pack. Base. That's nice. Kyle Okposo for the New York Islanders. That one's numbered 31 out of 99. Very nice. And this one is Lords of NHL, Dustin Byfuglien for the Jets. It's just an insert card, it's not numbered. Not bad, not bad. Thank you very much, and we'll see you guys again.